Hi, my name is Masnyaramba, mobile developer at ElevateHR. I'll be presenting the mobile application to show you how employees are able to access services provided by the organization. This is the ESS application. ElevateHR Africa app can be found on App Store and also on Play Store for both Android and iPhone users. When the employee accesses the mobile application, they are given access to the onboarding screen as the first thing they see, which gives them a clue of what to expect in the application. The three modules that we have is salary advance, payslip, and leave management. On click sign in, the employee is redirected to a login page. Since they've already been onboarded by the organization to the system or platform, they have credentials to access the app. I'll use these credentials to access the mobile application for this test demo. On successfully logging to the mobile application, the employee has access to a dashboard. The dashboard is arranged in a manner that at the top we have the three main functionalities: access to salary advance, access to leave, and also access to their payslip. At the bottom we have a media section area that allows HR or admins to communicate with their employees on matter of on priority or other important notifications or announcements, such as change in compliance, and they want to communicate that to their employees as early as possible, and also things like celebrating employee of the month or birthdays. Accessing the modules, I'll start with salary advance. On click salary advance, employees redirected to salary advance landing page that shows their limit of their salary advance, and also shows two types of salary advance: the normal advance and special advance. On click apply for normal advance, employees redirected to a form that has very simple information inputs, which is the amount they request for. Let's say 2,000. They also have to select the category they're requesting for, and then they can give a reason. The reason why we are collecting this information is for the HR to be able to get reports on where specifically the amount of salary advance lands to. For example, if most people are requesting salary advance for medical emergency, maybe they'll need to review their medical insurance that they're providing to their employees. On clicking on apply for special advance, the only difference is the period of repaying back. For normal, you can repay back in 1 month. For special, you have a maximum of 3 months to repay for your salary advance loan. Moving on to the second module, the leave module, we have made it easy for the employee to be able to access these services by just inputting the leave type they're requesting for. I'll say compassionate. By selecting the date, I'll say maybe select date 15 to 17, and also giving a reason for the purposes of report and statistics. I'll say maybe travel, and then I'll request. So it goes successful. The other thing on this leave is an employee is able to see all their leave request history. Like I can see my compassionate leave was maybe rejected, my compassionate leave was approved. So I know the status, and also I know the days I applied for before. The third module is payslip. The only thing you need to input is just the date and the year. This is an example of February 2024. Continue. Request to get a payslip. You can download your payslip and save it, maybe to your Google Drive or anywhere you want to save it, or you can just view and leave it at that. The other thing that we have added is if an employee needs to understand more about the application, you have the help center that explains to you what is leave, what is payslip, what is salary advance. The type of salary advance is normal, special. You can also access the help, the help center. I'll maybe make one final request as I complete this test. I'll say make a normal advance for this. I'll just call it maybe test, and then accept terms and condition and request. So I'm able to track my request. If I get any problem, I'm able to also see that. Yeah. You can see the type of request. If it's normal, you can see if it's special, you can see if it's all, you can see that. And then you can also minimize this. And the status will change as the approval happens. That's it for the mobile application. Thank you.